Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Toyota 4Runner key fob. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2016 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick and easy process typically takes less than 5 minutes, and you'll save money by doing it yourself. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring attachment. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. The two pieces should come apart easily. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR 2016 coin cell battery. Now, take your new CR 2016 battery and insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures proper function. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button. If everything works, you've successfully replaced your Toyota 4Runner key fob battery. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.